Hello student, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNAT, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about a projected aid in that a film strip. Now a large portion can be covered with the help of film strip. A sequence of series of stories can be attached to the film strip and we can present that content for the better and easy understanding of a learner. Now this is what called film strip. Now in film mainly we can see two types, cinefilm and educational film. Now cinefilm which can be used for present the psychomotor skills, some educational aspects, some teaching some of the particular nursing skill to the students, we can use these cinefilms. Now educational film, it's mainly used to present some educational aspects. Mainly it involved in your teaching practice which help you to learn certain educational topics, where the teacher can make use of this film in a short duration, where the teacher can cover up the maximum topics, which where a teacher can provide the better understanding for the student. Now this education film is also divided into advertisement film, entertainment film, documentary film and text film. So for the different purpose we can make use of this educational film. Now the next important concept is what kind of screen we are using to present this film. Now mainly we are using silver screen. Now in silver screen, aluminium coated powder is applying on the cloth, then that screen is called as silver screen. The advantage of this screen is where the light will have a very bright effect and viewers can have the depth of impression. The image will be presented in the depth so that we will have a better view. That is what called a silver screen. Next, matte screen, M-A-T-T-E, matte screen. It's a simple cloth screen with a smooth surface. It is white in color. This screen is white in color, very smooth and very white surface. This is called matte screen. Now this screen is very cheap and we can easily project. We can use it for a wide room. If it is a very big, a large room, we can use this matte screen. Then bedded screen, a white coat screen coated with a glass bedded. A white cloth screen, it is coated with the glass bedded, then it is called as bedded screen. The advantage is it will reflect the light so beautifully, so well light reflection, so that we can have a very beautiful view. Also this is used for a narrow rooms. The next is translucent screen. Now in this translucent screen, it's a white cloth screen which is called as translucent screen. Now here we can see a bright image, good reflection of light. A better example is your theater, where the projector is placed behind the audience, where audience cannot see the projector but the pictures are very beautifully illuminated, projected on the screen. Now the advantage of this film strip, where in series we can present the information, teacher can use this to present various teaching concepts which are related to the nursing, disease condition or health education purpose. We can make use of this film strip. It improve the interest, motivate the students, it improve their sense organs, auditory and visual. Both learning can happen very easily, improve their language. Then definitely there will be a lot of coordination before you present these screens. Before you present this films, understanding, you help each other and you prepare the film. Maybe you wanted to do the documentary film, you want to make any advertisement, definitely you are working together, so it will improve your language also, as well as it provide a good kind of illumination of image, a depth image you can see, so that you are paying your all attention and concentration on that screen. Definitely a learning will take place in a better way. Well, it also improve the cognitive learning process, creative and reasoning capacity, as well a problem solving thinking a capacity of an individual. It develop the collaboration, a social relationship among the learners. Now definitely what you learn will sustain in your brain, your memory for a long duration, because we are seeing, we are hearing and we are learning. The disadvantage is it's very expensive. It requires sometimes dark room or electricity is must. Without that, we are not able to do that. For example, you prepared everything for your film presentation, but there is no electricity, utter flop. Then maintenance and preservation might be difficult when there is no proper care is taken with the equipments. Definitely, it is very costly and you require certain technical skill to present that. When the candidate or the learner or the teacher do not have any technical skill to handle this film strip equipments, then you're not able to make use of that. So this is all about your film strip. Okay, now let's discuss about next AV aid, that is television. TV, a short form is TV. You all are familiar with the TV. You all may have got TV in your home. Now, TV is one of the powerful, most effective AV aid where we can cover the mass audience. Mainly for the mass education purpose, we can make use of this TV. Now, we can find different kind of programs in TV. The types of program is commercial TV program and educational TV program. Commercial TV program, that means which help us to earn certain amount of money. It's economic purpose, or also it's used for recreation purpose, like you're watching some serials, some songs, some TV, you're watching some films. These all are the commercial programs. The educational programs, which is mainly meant for the education purpose, where contents are recorded so that students are able to learn certain topics with the help of television. Now, the type of program broadcast, again here we can see mainly two types. One is a live broadcast and recorded broadcast. Now, live means what happening in the situation exactly they are presenting the live a presentation of a topic. Maybe some surgical procedure is going on. You wanted to see that is a video conference call where directly that procedure is projected on the TV. Mass audience can view that. For example, now maybe a politician is giving any speech in particular ground or somewhere gathering. Now that is a live presentation given in a television. So all over the world, all over the nation, people can watch that. A recorded program, a recorded broadcast, that means a program is pre-recorded. To be honest, these recorded programs are better than this live program, because in live they may have to focus only one area, or they may be keep on fluctuating the areas. Then individual may not find a sequence in a sequence what's happening. But in recorded program, a teacher is planning and recording the program what exactly they want to present. We will select one content, we'll select a topic, a large portion can be covered within a given duration of time in a recorded program. Now next, the use of how we can make use of these television programs. Definitely we can use this television program to increase the interest in a student. Teacher need little technical skill to present. Teacher need to plan that what concept they are going to present. Exact information, detailed information must be gathered, and that must be recorded. Some kind of rehearsal is required before you do the recording of that particular program. Collect all the material which is related to your study so that we can have a recording of that. Then we can present that to a student. Now, what's the advantage? Definitely we find a lot of advantage, because at a time we can present the content to almost all over the world. Okay, so if our students are scattered variety of places, definitely with the help of television we can project the content. Same timing is required to deliver the material to all. Definitely it's action motion picture, so all are much interested. You're using your hearing, listening, all the sense organs, so definitely your learning will be in a better way. Also, a pre-recorded program, we can inform them in advance what time you're going to receive the program, so students can be ready by that time to receive the program. As well, it will provide an open discussion between teacher and student. When they're presenting something on the TV, when they can have a pause, then definitely student and teacher interaction will be improved. Students can learn a better communication, good thinking, reasoning and problem solving skill will be improved in a student. And definitely students are much excited and motivated. For example, now you see a commercial program, you may get an ad break that today or Sunday 7 o'clock you are going to have a new film, maybe Bahubali 2. Then what you will do, you will wait and you'll watch the film. See, this is what called interest. So definitely television will help to enhance the interest, yeah, learning quality of a student. Now definitely the disadvantage is we require electricity, it is very costly, as well as recording the program is not that easy because teacher need a lot of preparation, it is a time consuming, and you may not able to record each and everything because you may have a shortage of data what you gathered. So that will be a drawback of your television. So, dear students, today we discussed two concepts, film strips and television. A very similar advantage is that a large portion of material educational aspect can be covered in a short duration of time. So, that will help our teaching learning process. Definitely a teacher can present in a better way, as well students can acquire the better knowledge with the help of this kind of projected aids. I hope you understood. Rest we'll see in the next class. Thank you all.